Alright guys, my quad is set up. So GoPro is turned on. Settings are 2.7K. Native white balance. Shutter is at 130. ND32 filter. Okay. ISO max and at 4, I think 800. Alright, let's get started guys. Yep, I'll be flying there, alright? We'll see. I want to be in the hot. I want to be under the sun, so it's gonna be okay, is it recording? No, it's not recording yet. Hold on. So I have not armed it yet. Ouch, my hair. Shit. Man, it's so cold. So cold. Jeez, so cold. Jeez, oh my god. All right, guys, that really worked well. Wow. And flight time is 6 minutes. Yeah, I like it. I need to change my throttle curve though. No, the subtrim. I need to bring it down because I noticed that the throttle have to reach the middle before I can, like 1500, before I can recover from the quad going down. Yeah. So guys, I love this setup. Even if it's slow, I think it's really gonna be good for bandos. Yeah. All right. All right, guys, let's go. It's so cold now. I really can't take it anymore. Later.